Let me show you a quick, simple way to download and change your default web browser to Google Chrome on your iPhone. The first thing that we'll need to do is download and install Chrome to your phone. If you haven't already done this yet, find and then open the App Store on your iPhone's home screen. Once you're inside of here, tap the search button on the bottom right of your screen. Using the search bar at the top, just search for Chrome, and when you find it here in the list, just choose it and make sure it's installed on your phone. If you find that it is already installed and maybe it just needs an update like mine here, go ahead and do that now so you just make sure you have the latest update. Once we know that Google Chrome is installed and updated, go ahead and close the App Store. Now to change our device's default web browser to the Chrome app that we just installed, find and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside of here, scroll down into the Apps section of the main Settings menu, and once you're down here, find and tap Chrome. In the middle of this menu, you'll see Default Browser App, and by default, it's going to say Safari. Choose this, and you'll see a list of all the different web browsers that you have installed on your iPhone. If you use anything else like Edge or Opera, you'll see those inside of here too. To change your default web browser to Google Chrome, all you need to do is just tap Chrome. After you have it checked, head back one menu, and you'll see now that your default browser app shows Chrome instead of Safari. At this point, you can close Settings, and now in the future, anytime you open a link inside of Mail or Messages, it's now going to automatically open up inside of Chrome as your default browser. And that's how you set Google Chrome as your default browser on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.